So currently I'm in my iPhone control center, and here in my control center we can see the translate control. So if I tap on this translate, this will automatically convert my language to Spanish. So here we can see translate to Spanish. Now to change your translate language, all you have to go to your app library first. So go to your app library and here search for Translate and open the Translate app, and here you will find Translate from language and Translate to language. To change Translate from language, tap on the language, and here you will find a bunch of different language. You can go ahead and select any of them, and to change Translate to language, tap on the second language drop down, and now you can select a different language just like so, and that's it. Thanks for watching.